2017 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, tinted glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.